Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Nmap latest version on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Okay, first open the terminal. First update the packages sudo apt update. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Hit enter. All packages are up to date. Control A. Now install Nmap. Sudo apt install Nmap. See, we are installing Nmap and these dependencies and these suggested plugins. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we are installing Nmap version number 7.98. We have successfully installed. Now verify the version Nmap -- version. See, we have installed Nmap version number 7.98. Control A. Now we can perform the these are the examples and these are the options that are available with Nmap. You can go through the documentation and you can practice. Okay, you can also install Zenmap by running the command sudo apt install Zenmap. Hit enter. See, it is going to install Zenmap and these dependencies. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. Zenmap is a GUI tool for the Nmap. Now open Zenmap, go to all applications, next page. See, here we have the Zenmap. Click on it to open. Now we can provide target, then we will be able to get the command here. If you give localhost, hit enter, then we have to select the type of scan. Then we have to click on scan. See, it is retrieving data. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install Nmap and Zenmap on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.